Hello and very happy afternoon to all the Zana family members. And like always, we have another show on the Zana channel. And today our guest is very interesting. She comes with a beautiful background of running multiple startups. And one of her startups is into IT solutions. So apart from that, she's also very passionate about journalism and she supports many magazines. We'll get to know more about her as we come along. So without further ado, let me welcome Shakila Makandar to our show. So
Thank you so
Shakila,
much.
hello and welcome to the show. How are you doing this afternoon?
Thank you so much, Dr. Sonali Banerjee. Well, it's a Saturday afternoon. It's steaming in Delhi, but
Oh, I can imagine.
it's a pleasure to be with the Zena associated with the Zena family in whatever little way
Oh,
I can. And thank you so much for this lovely introduction you have given.
fantastic.
Yeah, looking
Yeah,
forward to.
yeah, absolutely. So, Shakila, first of all, before we get into other things,
Sure.
I love your name. There's a certain music in your name. So, tell us a little bit about, like your name and how it was kind of identified by your parents or by your
Right.
grandparents to have a name like that.
You triggered my child inside me who was very curious. I'm like, why am I Shakila?
Yeah,
And that's the time I figured out that we are a very happy family, basically. Our upbringing is very, what to say, very conjugal, very nice, very beautiful in terms of growing up, because
right.
we were never taught the difference between the religion or the political implications or anything
Right.
like that. But that then there comes a time when you start noticing the differences, right? That's
Right.
when I was trying to figure out, and when I said, "Why is my name is Shakila? Why is it Shakila? Why is not like Lakshmi? Why is it not like Nampa, etc." Right?
Right.
I must tell you, to my surprise, my mom was very agitated. She said, "That's not
Really?
my choice. Okay, you should be asking your father." I asked my father, "Why
Huh,
Shakila?" And
right.
then my father was like, because Shakila means beautiful.
So you are absolutely.
And that intrigued me. I said, but Shakila is not like Lakshmi. No, nobody can really relate Shakila so easily. They're like, oh, it's different. Oh, it's Ajib. A lot of things. And some very well learned people, they're like, do you know who was Shakila? I'm like, yeah, really? I only know about this. I was too young, right? So that's
Wow.
when I started to explore the name. It's a Persian name and
Sure.
Persian influenced, I can say. The name,
Right.
of course, has beautiful in it. The name also has many other, like Shakira and Shakila have similar meaning. So,
Right.
yeah, thank you so much.
Wonderful. Wonderful. No, no, no. First of all, I always have this deep connect with people named with S because I'm Sonali and people call me Sonali because of my Bengali roots.
Uh,
And so that's how Shakira, Sonali, these are names which have some kind of a music around it, some kind of intrigue around it, like you mentioned. So
right.
that's why I was very this thing. Okay,
I'm glad.
wonderful.
Many years since anyone asked this question to me. Thank
Okay. So, getting into this entire business of IT and how did you get started? Because I'm especially interested because you being a woman, a lot of these typical mindset is there that women are supposed to be in different interior design or boutique or this or that. But no, IT is something which is definitely what I would say is a great place to be in, especially
Right.
I'm in Bangalore, you have been in Bangalore. So
Oh,
from that
wow.
context, we are in the place which is like the IT hub. So how
Yeah.
did you get started? Are you a IT graduate yourself?
In a way, I can say yes. First of all, I never liked this side of technology because when we were young, I don't know how long you've been in Bangalore, but
Mhm.
the typical Bangalore growing up mindset,
Yeah.
parents were about, "Ye mera sapna tha, naan ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೆ. Now you do." Okay?
Oh,
Because I couldn't do. This the
okay.
Bangalore is Bangalore. What you're seeing now was not the same then.
True,
Back
true.
then. It was
True.
all, even our English was like Kannada, as if we were talking in Kannada. Only other person who knew would know that, oh, they're talking
I
English,
know.
but it sounds Kannada.
Right.
It's like
I
that,
know.
right, Alma? So then
Right.
it was like really very funny when my father enrolled me into electronics.
Oh,
Before that, I chose. So I was selected due my scholarship. So I had placed. I want to do fashion designing, housekeeping. I don't know what not. All those little girl things. All the
absolutely.
chic level. Whatever. My
Yeah.
father comes in for during the admissions, and he's like, now I said I'm doing my medicals. Maybe he said
Mm.
like, no, 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 no. I've got a news that they are doing electronics is open. Let's go there. I said, Dad,
Right.
electronics, मतलब soldering iron लो, खंबे चढ़ो,
I
or
know.
toolkit leke jao. What is this?
Okay.
He said, no, no, you do it. Once you start liking, then you thank me. And actually, that is right.
Wonderful.
It took me like a month. I went like a sulking little baby to college. But
Mhm.
once I got that hands on, then there was no stopping from any department. So
Wonderful.
that's how love for technology started. Having said that, Bangalore was not. Now I think with the Made in India phase, we are getting a lot of semiconductor organizations and manufacturers, OEMs certainly. Back then, it wasn't like that, and we started looking for jobs that we can do. We didn't. So eventually, we went into all these new age
Right.
MNCs that were coming
Sure.
in, and who told us a lot like, oh, you have mother tongue influence, you cannot be part of this and all. And I was like, sorry, hogana. I was like, from AOL to this and that. Eventually, it was a lot of, I think, self challenge that I took.
Mhm.
That's something that led me, and I said, now I'm not going to give up. It's come back to me in a bigger way. Maybe sometime I will tell you because the life is
Right.
too long.
Right. Right. Right.
So once I started this business, then there was no looking back. I said it's much better than my soldering iron. All I have to do is learn a thing or two.
Mhm.
So yeah, I did like hands-on learning while I was working, running the business, along the giants. So that's
Right.
how, and I still love the way technology, what is it, opens up now though it is every 2 years, 3 years. Back then it was, once in 5 years, 10 years, we know that there's a new thing coming up. Now it's like almost every 2, 3 years, there's something. Yeah.
Right. Right. Right.
That's how.
Brilliant. So do you still have your IT outfit running in Delhi, and how big is it?
Well, my IT organization started in Bangalore only, HSR layout. That's where I belong. It
Wonderful.
was a very humble office that we had. All these WeWorks came later, but 2, 3 of us IT companies owners come together and we started over there.
Mhm.
So, how big it is to answer that? Only GST we've transferred to Delhi so that the controls are here, but the
Sure.
team is still in Bangalore, still around
Okay.
HSR layout. It is
Okay.
headed by the CTO. And now we are more agile, even in terms of framework or company framework. Unlike back then when we used to have 40, 50 people sitting and working
Right.
on certain technologies, larger implementations, etc. Now
Right.
we are more agile, open source. So we have standard 7 top people who are like full time. And the
Mhm.
rest are higher and go because they like to be. Ever since COVID, they all want to be
Yes. Yes.
free
Yes.
of free of bonds, I can say, because they
Right.
consider employment to be bonds, right? So
Right.
there's no more probation, there's no more permanent letter, there's no more appraisal. It's
Mhm.
not like that. So
Yeah.
7 is like CTO, project manager, program manager, sort of the team.
Right.
The rest of the juniors, they keep coming and going. Yeah.
Right. So
So
any specific, sorry to interrupt. Please go
sorry,
ahead.
no, just to complete, I was saying
Ah,
that
please complete.
together because we have another 7 set which is working on the turnkey projects.
Okay.
We shifted to bromine. So all put together, we are about roughly 27 people. Yeah,
Wonderful.
just to summarize the whole thing.
Great. So
So
any specific reason why you moved from Bangalore to
it is.
Noida?
I think I've always been slightly ahead of time in terms of
No.
thinking. I think my analytical thing is bit ahead. I think so. I could be wrong, but I've made decisions like that. I've moved cities from one city to another city like that, and Delhi was a choice that I made because Bombay, the lifestyle and the community feel changed totally. So I couldn't go back to Bombay. Bangalore was mushrooming with all the new age. By 2016, there were a lot of companies that were mushrooming. The large implementations were falling into cloud implementations. Partnerships no more were looking into bigger projects. They are like, yaar, aajkal WhatsApp mein proposal ja raha hai, PPT mein
Right.
proposal. We were writing like 25 pages of proposal. So, you know, for us, to work anything below like a 100,000, $1,500 wala project was like, yaar, hamara class nahi hai types, you know. But
Right.
yeah, and with new age people coming in, the market was literally getting very thin. It was
Right.
spreading. Even if they were getting cheated, they were okay for, you know, the small ticket. Koi
Yeah.
matlab 50% discount mein karke de raha hai and all. We worked a lot with clients who's already bitten once, and then they tend
Right.
to squeeze us a lot. But you know, that's how it was. So I
Yeah.
said we need to find the scope. Delhi when I came had a lot of scope. I decided to move in after I picked up my first AI project in 2017.
Oh, wonderful.
And people, today we're talking so much AI, you know, back then.
Right.
So
Right. Right.
I
Right.
said, if one client can think like this, then
Right.
we have good scope. And I promised some of my friends when they told me you're a fool, Bangalore is the Silicon City, this, that. I said, hey, I know that's my place. It's Namma Bengaluru. It can't change.
Absolutely.
But business does not make sense, at least not for my kind of business where we are looking at new age,
Right.
challenge wala, you know, it's like that.
Mm.
So then I also told them that trust me, most of the metros are done. If it has to be, it has to be Delhi for both the industries, IT and entertainment.
True.
Yeah, that was my promise to the biggies with whom I was working those days. And
Yeah.
today, yeah, I think we are there almost.
Nice.
Right.
Nice.
That's how I chose to be in the city.
Nice, nice. It's I would say it's really a great bold move because people get stuck in their comfort zone of a city, their contacts, their friends, and everything else. So I've lived in Gurgaon for almost 3.5 years. And of course, I've been in Bangalore. It's like home for me for last 20 years. And yeah,
20 years.
Calcutta.
Then we can talk
Yeah.
in Kannada after this. I miss talking in Kannada.
ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ. So, you know, that's a good point that you make, that language plays such a huge role. I have worked last 20 plus years in Bangalore. And as I already mentioned that I am a Bengali from Calcutta, and not for once, like you have people who come from Tamil Nadu, from Kerala. So somebody speaks Malayalam, somebody is speaking Tamil. I have never been put on a spot, okay,
Ah,
saying that, okay, you don't know Kannada. However, in recent times and even in certain interactions, I do feel that not knowing the language can sometimes trigger things like, I don't know whether you have heard about the Sonu Nigam thing that happened recently. So the
when I met
controversial
Sonu
side.
Nigam, I asked him
Right.
that. I said, like, Sonu, I
Uh,
hope after singing, you know, full album of Kannada and everything, you can say
right, he
something.
did. Yeah.
Oh, yeah. And then he was like, Shakila, Swalpa Swalpa, that's it.
Adjust ಮಾಡಿ.
Yeah. And I said, okay, thanks. That's a good start. Please sing more of Kannada songs.
Absolutely. Absolutely.
Yeah. But that, what
So,
you said is true.
yeah. The
Right.
question that I have for you is, if you remember the Chak De movie, you remember the Chak De movie? Yeah.
Yeah.
And
Yeah.
Shah Rukh
It's the
was the
hockey movie,
coach.
right?
Yeah, hockey
Okay,
movie.
yes.
Shah Rukh Khan was the coach of this team, and people came from all over.
All over.
Right?
Yes.
The idea was that we are one Indian. So
Correct.
there is nothing that you can bring in here
Correct.
apart from being an Indian spirit. Right?
Very
So somewhere, sometimes I feel that language is important. It is our roots. We should know it. We should be able to read, write, speak our individual, mother tongue, etc. However, we need to get beyond it because today my best friend is a Kannadiga. She lives
Oh,
next door, right? My friends are from all over India, right? So I think that gives you the diversity. Why India, even globally, Sana family is there globally, right? So
Lovely.
that kind of makes you feel connected with people across, right? And if we are really calling ourselves civilized, then we need to move to
Correct.
that space. You are running IT firm, which is obviously, you know, the
No
language of the
boundaries.
world, right?
Yes.
So great, nice to know that.
No,
Apart
it
from
is
that,
true about the language. Oh, I'm so sorry. I
no,
cut.
go ahead, go ahead, go ahead.
It's true about the language. I will say always one has to have an open mind. It's
Right,
not just language. It is, I mean, when we were studying, we used to call it understanding cross culture. But then a
right,
lot of people were teaching it, giving importance to doing international businesses or having international communications
true.
or you know, cross border discussions, etc. But I would say
Mhm.
it starts from inside.
Absolutely.
It's not even states. It starts from every 5 kilometers, actually, or in the given context. So
Right.
one is have an open mind. So
Uh-huh.
that what happens is you not only get to learn and understand, you get to taste and feel, you get to understand the richness or the pros and cons, to put it very simply. Besides this, yeah, you need to also be equipped to conduct your business, your what to say outwardly or your bread and butter winning kind whatever work, either you're working as a professional or you're working as a
Right,
business wherever, if you do not have that openness, like you rightly mentioned, civilization comes from understanding the basic is two people, understanding two people,
right,
right?
right, right, right.
So yeah, that is very important. And I would say that I have come here.
Mhm.
When I came here, it was very difficult. My Hindi is also very different. So imagine, and then I'm listening to somebody who is saying, uh, Sunday naal rogi, ऐश करोगी, then I am Punjab hai, and is like, uh,
True.
कितने जा रहे हैं and all that. I'm like, oh my God, now how? So
Right,
I made local friends.
right, right.
And I mean, it was too hard for me when I was having a regular business to find a way to find a space. So I actually went the so-called nightlife for a couple of
Right,
months, made
right.
some local friends, jo dadagiri karta hai, float pe and all
Ah,
that. Then
absolutely.
I said, like, acha, theek hai, now I know that fellow is a Haryani, this fellow is a Punjabi, this one is from Kashmir who's
Right.
settled. If I didn't have that acceptance,
Mhm.
I don't think so. Delhi would have, held me by his hand.
Up, to you.
Yeah,
Correct.
yeah.
Correct.
And so, yeah, I really concur with you that that sense of openness should be there
Right,
with
right.
alertness, of course.
Yes,
A lot of
yes.
other things also that happen.
Absolutely, very true. So, the other thing is, you also mentioned about your passion for journalism, and
Yeah,
how did that start? That's really interesting.
yeah. It's crazy if I tell you that, and I never believed in human friends. And again, that was brought on to me by my father because as a kid, my father was very protective. Like the name, he thought I was very beautiful. Dunya bahut gandi hai. How to protect her? And he would say, no, 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 dost nahi banana hai. I was like, Daddy, everybody is dost. Yeah, come on. And so I in particular, I think by the time it was my sister and my brother, my two little siblings, by the time it was them, I think it was dawned on to him कि यार बच्चों में ये चलता है. But when it was me, he was very kind of reserved. He was like, no, no, why don't you make books as your friends? Why don't you do something at home? Why don't you prepare for the next lesson? Why should you wait for your teacher to teach? So this way, somehow or the other, he inculcated that closeness or the association with books. Now, in books, there's only so much you can read. You know, there's a sense of maturity also, right?
Right.
So, as a kid, I would only read. I was already one step ahead. Kitne steps ahead ja sakte ho? Then
Right.
I diversified myself into writing poetry.
Oh, wonderful.
When I used to write poetry, and again, I think there is a string in DNA, nobody is disclosing it. But
Mhm.
again, the initial shairis came from my dadu. Then my
Oh,
daddy had made notes of them. When
nice.
I read, I said, "Wow, they're like so great, right?" And my dadu would explain to me one or two, and it was too much Urdu for me to understand. So
Right.
slowly, I said, like, let me see. So I started writing and writing and writing to an extent my school principal appreciated. He said, the way your thought comes are very beautiful. Why don't you read them out sometimes when I am there and stuff like that? Then I continued that, but very subtly because my father would tear them and throw them anyway in Raddi. So yeah, those were the days when you would write, no? And then I said, okay, then Google introduced blog and I started writing. And yeah, slowly and silently, I got into this writing. So I wrote for films, I wrote my own stories, I got a bound script. All this is pre
Wow.
my business. Then I was missing that whole thing. So I continued to write. And then I didn't have something like an agenda to write.
Hmm.
I started writing more like throwing my thoughts, ideas, and giving away my feeling. Like today, we just spoke about
Right,
language, right?
right, right.
Actually, I've written one article last night about the war that is happening, right? And on a very human ground, if we have to look at that particular word, civilization, where are we going through?
Where are
So
we?
this is how my thoughts come, and then
Right.
I'm like, no, I should write this. If people like, they like. If they don't like, they don't like. ऐसे करते करते करते, I reached a stage where people enjoyed that. Yeah, it's nice to chit chat with her. It's okay to have one, interview from her, things like that.
Right,
That's
right.
how it went on. Yeah. But
Wonderful.
thanks to people who trust me that way,
Mm-hmm.
the sense of gratitude can never stop.
Wonderful. No, so I completely relate to the fact that you said being protective because, even my mother, it was like the whole world is some war scene. It's like,
Yeah,
see, you step out of home and you're in LOC, right? So it takes you a long time to really come out of it. And to a certain extent, I guess we are so scared to let our children step out into the
it's
unknown that that's the normal defense mechanism. Uh,
true.
to
I
a
think as
certain extent, I
parents,
see that
um,
in my daughter also, and I feel, oh my God, maybe, we as parents have done the same mistake with her,
correct.
right? Every time they have a fight, okay, somebody has said something, instead of saying, okay, tomorrow you need to go back to the same person,
Yes,
and then, again be friends, because nobody is this 100% perfect,
perfect, right.
right? Because,
In my case, I think it's also because my dad has a police history. So he's actually seen on ground ki hota kya hai.
right.
So I think that added a little more. My mother was not so much. She comes from this Reddy family. For us,
Uh-huh.
it's everything bindas. Mera nahi sunega to kiska sunega wala attitude, She's like, "Pappad
Nice.
marna hai, maar ke aa jao.
I
So
know.
that way, my father was more, I think, the practical life puts a certain, everyone has, like you were rightly saying. We all
Right.
think the best should happen to our kids, and the
Huh.
only best place, as we all know, is home. So, yeah, I think that's where, yeah. True, you're right.
So that, nowadays when I tell my kids, okay, today's a off day, let's spend some time together, go somewhere. Let's spend time at home. Why go somewhere? Now we have nurtured this, so we have to live with it, right?
Yeah.
My God. So the other thing is, it's very interesting that at a very young age, you started your venture, right? Because when people face these challenges, and typically, in corporate companies, I especially international BPOs or even IT companies have this strange mechanism of neutralized accent, ye wo, like you mentioned, right? How did you a is, of course, I'm not with it because I feel if a Japanese or a German guy does not need to speak the language and he can express in his own language and everybody is aligning to it, why should language be a concern? I remember my days in Biocon, and there what was there is these scientists have to be taught the best English,
Yeah.
uh, so I always used to say why they are doing the research. They are Indian scientists. Even if they speak in a certain language, let's have a translator for them, right? I
Think it's a
understand.
great advice. On the same lines, I was talking recently. I was invited to cover a certain very important program called GeoJuris today, who did Raksha Manthan on the defense dharma and diplomacy of the country. And we were talking this topic
Mhm.
where the state level language issue has reached Supreme Court.
Right,
Now
right.
it reached Supreme Court.
Mhm.
So I would say, as a country, of course, we can have Hindi as our national language, where even the documents can be like that. Children will learn Hindi better, unlike having mere state ka Hindi, tere state ka Hindi types, you know.
Right.
Or suddenly you go to Lucknow and like, आप ऐसे क्यों बात कर रहे हो? Suddenly like, तू चुप ना. So
I understand.
instead of that, we can have one set of Hindi, and they know that, you know, that that's Hindi. You
Yeah.
when you speak Hindi like that, they know that अच्छा ये किताब से पढ़ के आए हैं, they know this is the Hindi they will speak, and that is understandable by everybody.
Right.
Until then you go back to your home and say हाँ तू मैं and this is
Right.
which is very valid. Now coming back to the topic of why biochem research scientists were asked to speak good English. I would say good English, basically. I would not say a certain UK or American, whatever
sure.
that.
Hmm.
I'll tell you, there's a reason. Your solution is very right.
Hmm.
Translator.
Hmm.
Today, I think we have devices for translator. Back then,
Absolutely.
imagine for each nation, if we have one translator, we are default operational cost is high. Manpower resource goes high. We'll cut that short. Teaching
Right.
is more easier क्योंकि पूरे group को बिठा दो, soft skill trainer ले आओ, and the soft skill trainer he'll say इतना खुद कोड़ी means sit down like this, you know. So it's more easier. So one is the way business can, I'm sorry, one is the way training can be better.
Right. Absolutely.
Second, which I've also faced, and you don't believe this, I've actually had grammar classes from 9:30 to 10:30 to my own stuff because I started very early, and
Right.
our initial projects itself were from Middle East. We are talking to Africa, we are talking to UK, Sri Lanka. So imagine one guy from Andhra Pradesh tier 2 city comes, is like, okay, right. I told you no. It is there, no. That fellow will up and go.
Right.
So even myself, I feel everybody, and I do international internships as well, and I've
Right.
done for Korean students who
Wonderful.
still have broken English, right? Their English is not perfect. Japanese, like you rightly
Yeah.
mentioned.
Right.
Their English is in their language, in their lingo, in their slang. You know, it comes like in their songs. You'll have to just make it comprehensible. So most of the technical people, like myself also, I took that as a challenge. So I didn't join MNC just like that. I did call center, then I did technical support, then I joined MNC, and people were laughing. यार तू electronics telecommunication करके hello sir, ये sir बोल रहे हैं sir. पता है मेरे में कितने problems थे? Five बार, I mean I changed 5 times. I sari fail आते, one sari win आगोदते. It's like that. And people were like, what? I said, yeah, I cheated the company 3 times. I did walk-in 2 times. I went through agency. And finally, I know the pattern, and now I'm in.
Exactly.
And chose the lowest playing package because I know if I am aiming at MNC,
Yeah.
business terms, if you are aiming to cater to global business, global community,
Right.
I need to up my ante in all terms, basically.
Absolutely.
In terms of research scientist or anybody who is technical,
Right.
will want them to be at least fair enough in communicating, because salesperson cannot talk so much technical details, and
Very
person cannot close the deal without a salesperson. So
Absolutely.
that little handshake is communication. It's a
Very-
very subtle handshake. It's a very thin, thread that you and me are communicating in
Right.
English.
Right.
Because
Right.
you can imagine whenever you say, ಗೊತ್ತು ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ ಅಂತ. This happens with my husband when my South Indian friends come. They forget he's a North Indian, right?
Oh, okay.
They forget that they're having, because he looks slightly dark complexion. He looks South Indian.
Okay.
So when my friends talk, they'll forget that it is he from North India, or they are sitting in Delhi and they were like, "Artha aitala," and then still is like, ha ha ha.
Yeah.
And then I was like, by the way, what he meant is, it's okay. I think I got the gist of it.
The gist of it.
That's what will happen then, So they become good friends, even though he's my good friend or she's
Right.
my good friend, right?
Right.
But then, yeah, over a period of time, I think this is family, so it will grow. But internationally, deal is lost.
True.
So I think that is where the whole importance of having a
No, I
certain
agree. Yeah.
upping of skills is
Right.
required.
Right. And like we have that typical aspect of Atiti Devo Bhava. So we are always adjusting ourselves into, their culture, their
Yeah.
understanding, and more so when it is an account coming from the West, and
Yeah.
you have to cater to the requirements just to retain, not only retain the account, but get 10 on 10, I would say, on all your customer service. And
Even Kiran Majumdar herself, by the way,
yeah,
she's become who she's become because of, I think, the then CM.
yeah.
Having said that, I know we used to call her to small gatherings also.
Right.
She always maintained that one ground connection that, yeah, I belong wherever I see there is meaning. And then she catered to that in their segment, in their language, in their tone.
Right.
That makes her stand out. मतलब it's not like उसके पास पैसे वैसे नहीं है कि मुझे क्यों बुला रहे हैं यार कोई सीईओ चले जाओ.
Correct. Correct.
So I think she's just transferring the culture that she's
Absolutely.
putting on to
Absolutely.
every level. That makes her who she is, I think. Yeah.
Oh, absolutely, I agree. And even in my days in Infi, I remember when Narayan Murthy was addressing the entire employee base. He was talking, and there was a certain accent of American tone into it. And then
Yeah.
we realized that he is doing so much of business meetings that automatically his accent has
Good.
changed. And I remember our HR person used to say that that is actually culture shifting, so that the other person is able to understand the tone, because like you very rightly said, everybody's English is a little different, everybody's Hindi, there is a mother tongue influence there, right?
Correct.
So yeah, that's critical. So coming back to our question, where we were discussing that aspect, that when you started at a young age your business, um was there any resistance from the family that you're so young,
Lot.
you faced enough? What was the kind of reaction, and how did you cope with it?
Ran away. Okay, so yes, like I said, my father is very protective. Business
Right.
means he does not like. He's like, business kon karta hai, you know? We are not people with so much money, you know? So I was like, yeah, but so my understanding of business, let me just first clarify, then you'll understand why it is a free will business that
True, true.
my idea of business was not about making money.
Right.
Who does business? Somebody who cracked a certain solution for a problem, added value, a certain value to the service, and ensure that it gains it is sold. Basically, that's. I am somebody who is looking at providing solutions within my realm of capabilities and skill set to people who need only. And
Right.
people who also, now, of course, it's many years of business. I don't know to do anything else. If somebody hires me, I'll say, "Yaar, tere ko itna nahi aata kya?" Then they'll say, "Thank you so much, chale ja." So my idea of being a businesswoman when I was very young was like, "Ghar baithe baithe kar lo yaar, koi tension nahi hai." And there's no restriction, there's no rules. It's the rules that you set. So this
True.
is all self whatever defining of what I want to do out of my life. It
Right.
turned out to be business because even before I started business, I quit my jobs. I said मैं कविताएं लिखूंगी कहीं बैठ के. I did Satyadev Dube's training. I said like ठीक है सर बैठ के कहानी लिखते हैं. I was like that. I don't even know how I was earning. किसी का पीपीटी बना देती थी. अच्छा ठीक है मुझे 5,000 बिल है यहाँ पीपीटी बनाने का. Really, it was like
Right.
that, and
Oh, why not? Yeah.
I've lived that free life, and that's when I started realizing, अच्छा लोगों को आईटी माने कंप्यूटर जिसके पास है वो आईटी का बंदा है. It's not कि कंप्यूटर में क्या कर रहे हैं. It was that जमाना.
Ah,
And a call center was an IT for them. अच्छा ये तो बड़े आईटी कंपनी में जाती है क्या कर रही है कॉल आंसर
ah,
you know. So that was the zamana. So for me, it only made sense that yeah, there is two things. One, I'm a free will person. What is my individual interest? I want to go around the world with my own ticket money, with my own thing, you know. Like as a young girl, I had that. Second is what will I do? How will I earn money? If there is a problem that I can solve, I can put it in my own capabilities and resolve it. And that is going to be my business. So I
right.
became a problem solver, basically. That became business. From there on, I understood if I am not solving a certain problem nicely, that day I'm a failed business person. So that is why I endure every project or every client with that depth. What do they need? How and to what extent they need? And is it in my ability to pay? And now, of course, ability to solve. And now of course, I think now we've reached 15-20 saal ka experience. So will they be able to afford my kind of solution? It's like doctor, there are different doctors. कोई
Different kinds of
200
doctors.
का कंसल्टिंग करता है, कोई 1000 को, 2000 का. बट इट डिपेंड्स ना, कोई देखते ही बोल देगा, दूसरा 100 एग्जामिनेशन चिट्ठी दे देंगे, ये कराओ वो कराओ वो कराओ. That's the difference now, you know. So this
Right.
is all something that I think is businessman. I had a lot of resistance from family. I had a lot of resistance from public. How
Why?
can a girl own a private limited?
Ah, true.
My client was asking, आपको नहीं लगता आप कुछ ज्यादा ही छोटे हो? And he's sizing me top to down. Okay? आप कुछ ज्यादा ही कम उम्र वाले हो, कैसे हैंडल कर लोगे? एंड दैट वाज जस्ट अबाउट 1 crore का बिजनेस था. मैंने कहा कि सर हैंडल क्या करना है, टाइमलाइन है, लोग हैं, प्रोजेक्ट है, क्लोज कर देंगे. नहीं किया जिस दिन, उस दिन हम बैठ के, नहीं अपन हफ्ते में एक बार लंच खाते हैं. आई सेड थैंक यू सो मच सर, मैं लंच लेके आती हूँ. So I did go through all of those things, but I tell this to a lot of women, even as employees, when they leave one city and come to another city for a job, especially which started with IT on the greater
Yeah.
long term. क्योंकि इसमें transfers नहीं थे, direct hire होता था. You're hired for this location,
Right.
you know.
Right.
So I tell them, you have to look beautiful, you have to be everything. Having said that, you must have your discipline, you must have your knowledge. Learn every day something. You must
Absolutely.
have your knowledge. Third, no matter even with your if you're with your family, you should know how to defend yourself. And try and do it as much as possible by words, because by action, it will trigger the other way around. And for which, again, you'll have to have knowledge. For that knowledge, again, you'll have to go back to discipline. So that's how I tell anybody for that matter. I think once you keep this, you will be able to at least, kuch nahi, Birla mat bano, Tata mat bano, at least you'll be happy in your own place. You'll be proud of taking care of yourself, earning for yourself, doing your own thing. You can carry that pride with you, right?
Right.
So
Right.
I think that's what I followed. Basically, it's my personal thing.
Yeah. So, in an age where businesses are growing, falling, then, they are letting go of people. There's a lot of insecurity in the environment, right? And though people want to get started on their own and they want to do the best, even IT professionals, right? They find it difficult to have this conviction, right? Not just girls, even boys, right?
Boys.
So there is always this thing that हाँ भाई रोटी कपड़ा मकान कोई मुझे दे दे, कोई कहीं पे कुछ हो जाए, एक मल्टीनेशनल में घुस जाओ, सारा जिंदगी उधर निकाल दो. ठीक है,
Correct.
होता है नहीं होता है वो सेकेंडरी है. So in a situation like, and today people realize that just like you as an employee, you are not love lost. Employers are also very ruthless.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
You look at a Google, you look at a IBM, you look at a HP, and of course, I don't blame them because they are going through their crises. So many people like you are coming with solutions at a lesser cost, at a better viability. Obviously, clients also are comparing, apple to apple to decide who they are going to be opting for. So I think that is true. Having said that, what do you think are your top 3 skills or competencies which has helped you put the business together? Or like you mentioned that you need to have the discipline to go back and answer or question. What are those skills which has helped you nurture yourself to a great successful entrepreneur?
Well, but thanks. Success. I think according to me, I am successful.
You are.
And, about okay, it's actually very clear how you have said how the world is moving. There's a reason to it. There is no patience. There's no patience anywhere. I mean, I think with you and me, the patience is over. You know, so I think what is very important, that is where, if you see, even if it means computer, even if it means newspaper, something, if you know how to pull out the time for yourself, and meditation also, according to me, it's not yoga, it's not just shutting your eyes. Do anything, gardening, cooking, cleaning, washing clothes, kuch bhi ek karo. Let only brain work independently for at least 15-20 minutes in the day, where your physical body is calm, you know, then a lot of things will start churning inside. So when you churn your compartments, each compartment becomes clear. So how I work in my head is, so as we grew up, there's a lot of tension at home because I was running business. My sister is in college. My brother is finishing. You know what I'm saying, like?
Yeah.
तो तुम क्या business कर रही हो? घर का काम नहीं करती, ये नहीं करती. Then once I finished like I was like, मैं ये करूंगी, मैं वो करूंगी, मैं दुनिया से सबसे young है, सब कुछ आज
हाँ,
बोल चुकी हूँ.
हाँ.
But once I step outside, just जैसे वो रैलीज उंगलना जिसको कहते हैं, जैसे वो उंगली, उस बीच में my job is, I prefer taking walk to my office. When I'm walking, I was like, अच्छा मैंने ये किया था, वो किया था, वो किया था, ऐसे किया था, वैसे किया था. So the work automatically seeps in. Once the work seeps in, then again I have to go back. When I sit on my desk, I have my compartments to deal with. And I've already sorted that 15-20 मिनट के वॉक में कि अच्छा इसको ये बोल के, इसको रिप्लाई भेज ही देते हैं, 2 दिन हो गए, इसको भेज दो, बहुत ज्यादा सोचना हो गया, इसका काम कर दो यार, इसको यार साइन ऑफ कर दो इसका, you know. So then you are like easily sorting things. एक तो ये है that you need to pull off little time for yourself. 2, very important, self-realization, which I also think everybody else should acknowledge, is आपका पैदा होना ही रिस्क था. पढ़ा पैदा तो हो गए ना. जब बिजनेस करना सोच रहे हो, it's an unborn baby. You're thinking, when you're thinking. So again, like I'll have to use this, example. After गरीब के भी बच्चे होते हैं, अमीर के भी बच्चे होते हैं. बच्चे होने के बाद बच्चे बड़े हो जाते हैं. So these 2 things you must acknowledge, that it's like a seed. If you sow, and if it's sprouted, then it has to grow. There is no option to it unless somebody came and chopped it. But be ready that risk is also a possibility. Yeah, but it has to grow. अगर सीधा नहीं ग्रो होएगा तो वर्टिकल ग्रो होएगा, कहीं ना कहीं से ग्रो होएगा, बंद तो नहीं होएगा. If you want to shut it, अगर आप थोड़ा चालाकी करना चाहते हो, बिजनेस में ट्विस्ट लाना चाहते हो, किसी को मसल यूज करना चाहते हो, वैसे में तो you already know that you're taking a risk, and that risk has implications. That is you calling in for risk. Right. But if you're a simple offering some solution kind of a person, all your aggression will be, इस पेड़ को सीधा कैसे करेंगे, इसके फल कितने आएंगे, इसके फल को कितनों को बांटेंगे, you know. That mindset of acknowledgement, self-realization, and learning while you're on the go every day. Wind up your day and write to yourself or revise to yourself before you shut your eyes and go back to your sweet dreams, that today my day was so and so, and I like it. Oh, I don't like this character. I think next time I will not get closer. Another one, association matters.
Yeah.
Very, very important.
Right.
Even if it is once in a month you want to hang out because you like somebody, there's a reason you like somebody. Even if that person doesn't like you, but you like that person, ask that person that can we have a coffee? Can we have a, because sometimes it will take time for the other person to understand who you are. Maybe all the time the first impression is not first impression. It's just English people. वो तो मतलब मेकअप से हैं तो उनका तो फर्स्ट इंप्रेशन बनना ही होता था. बट वी आर इंडियंस, धोती चप्पल पहन के जो बड़े हुए हैं, फॉर अस फर्स्ट इंप्रेशन इज खाना सही बना क्या, घर साफ था क्या, बच्चे को अच्छे पाला. दिस इज आवर फर्स्ट इंप्रेशन. दिस इज, वी हैव ग्रोन अप लाइक दिस, राइट? सो यू मस्ट एंश्योर दैट some of these things are inculcated as part of your regular life, even if it is business or even if you're any kind of a professional, if you want to succeed, ऐसा
Yeah.
होता नहीं है कि आप एमएनसी ज्वाइन कर दिए जिंदगी भर वहां हो गया, 2 प्रमोशन के बाद यू से लाइक यार उसने यार ऐसे ऐसे बोल दिया मेरे को, ये ऑफिस पॉलिटिक्स स्टार्ट हो जाएंगे,
हाँ.
टू रिजॉल्व इट,
True, true.
है ना? So such things, if we have as our own habit, even if the place change, you won't change
Right, right,
because you have built yourself with these principles, with
right.
this understanding. That I think, I mean, this is again very mera wala tarika hai. I mean, everybody else has their own. So this is what something I think we should all work towards. Thoda
So
shanti rakho.
summarizing, first one is basically having time to yourself to clarify
Sometime.
where you are, what is happening, and being with it, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like meditating, but you
हाँ,
can do anything. I'm not saying ऐसा
right.
है ना मुद्रा बना के बैठ के
हाँ.
गार्डनिंग कर लो,
Yeah.
गप्पे मार लो, but maybe other persons listening to music is best meditation, like I've heard a lot of people saying. So
True,
I think all these little things.
true.
I
You know,
like
for
gardening, so
me,
I said gardening.
when I'm running and when I say that to others, they find it very strange. But when I'm running, that is my meditation.
Yeah,
Right?
yeah,
So it's I'm
exactly.
with myself. Okay.
Yeah,
And if I
walking.
can't deal with myself, what will I deal with the world?
Exactly. That's the whole point. Yeah, I think that's rightly put.
Right.
Yeah.
So that's
Hey,
the
that,
first most important aspect. And the second aspect, what you're saying is clarity on the solution that you are giving, not only as an entrepreneur, but also as
yeah,
a
so that's the confidence that you get. Only then you start your business. But have that, kya bolte hain? It's like have that confidence in yourself that you are giving this. If you are not confident, nobody is confident. You're on shaky grounds.
right.
So the
Right.
foundation should be, if you are confident of
Yeah.
what you're doing, that
Right.
means you sown the seed.
Right.
Then you will.
Yeah, because a lot of people, use this word, and I have, for lack of a better word, I feel total animosity towards it. When
Mhm.
people say, oh, like that person has utilized me, right? So my thing is that, yeah, you should have a cost, like you said, that PPT banaya, iska ye cost hai. My
Yes.
time has this cost, because people
Correct.
sometimes don't
Value.
understand that your time has a cost. Yeah. The fact that you're choosing to do something, yes, you're enjoying, yes, you're nurturing yourself, you're learning, and equally you're getting compensated, because that has to be
हाँ.
there. Right.
No, but it is also very simple requirement. मैं अगर ठीक से खाऊंगी नहीं, खुश रहूंगी नहीं, तो आपको क्या ही solution दूंगी? You know,
No, and like I have seen some clients, they push you, they cut so
yeah,
much
yeah,
that
yeah,
you feel, भैया ये तो project लेके कोई फायदा ही नहीं है.
correct.
Because if I'm not, like you said, if I'm not keeping myself nourished, if I'm not nurturing myself, then this project is not going to be beneficial. Anyway, so
For
and
both the sides,
both
on
the
both the
sides.
sides.
Both
Yeah,
the-
yeah. And then you will lose the relationship.
Yeah.
Also taken projects जहाँ थोड़ा हाथ तंग है. But
हाँ.
then, see, psychology is very important. You
Yeah.
learn. Once you
Right.
start business, no, you will start getting that hands-on psychology. Then
Absolutely.
you know ki why you're compromising with somebody and why some places you don't want to budge. It's a clear understanding. And as a businessman, you will be able to take that call कि यहाँ मुझे जिंदगी भर का रिश्ता बना रहे हैं या
Correct.
ये पैसा बना के कमा के निकलना है. Now that's where I think the last bit, the owners get into pictures and say,
Correct.
"ये यार कर लो, तुम लोगों का सैलरी तो जा रहा है ना, कर लो."
Correct.
So
Absolutely.
yeah.
Right. And the third one is, if you could just use one word for it, what would it be out of the three competencies?
So one is to what to say, self-realize or learn by self that risk is going to be there. If
Right.
still with it, no matter you're a profession or you're a businessman, it is
Yeah.
going to come. Just acknowledge it that it
Sure.
is going to happen. Be prepared always.
Right.
This is
Right.
by Baden-Powell, who started the Scouts and Guides movement in America. He
Right.
always said, be prepared.
Be prepared.
And you'll have to be prepared for everything. So that preparedness, that acceptance to acknowledgement to whatever is going to happen, yet
Right.
be optimistic. To
Right.
be prepared is, be safe than never. I mean, you're safer than being sorry, right? So,
Right.
but then be optimistic is half your problem is solved.
Or correct.
How
Correct.
you will be optimistic? By giving time for yourself and reassuring yourself that you're on the right path. That will happen if you meditate,
Right.
whatever meditation you want to do,
Whichever
right?
format. Yeah.
And then continuously upgrade yourself with your skills, right?
Right.
And that will come by discipline. So I think these are pretty much the pillars of your success in any manner, even for a mason.
Right.
Yeah.
Right.
I
Awesome.
think.
Awesome. No. Very, very well brought out. I think it makes sense. The other thing is, I'm sure that you would have gone through a lot of challenges. How do you deal with these challenges or criticism, which either from clients or co-workers or sometimes even your employees or your bosses? How do you deal with that?
So एक तो boss नहीं है, so that was cut out.
No,
When I
like
used to have
I used to think that boss
Yeah.
nahi hai startup mein, but then I realized actually all your clients are like your bosses only.
Yeah.
है
So
ना?
with clients, I deal like as if they brought out a matter to Supreme Court if they come to me. So
Oh,
if they have to criticize me, they'll have to be very sure where they are criticizing. And I must be so sure that I have the answers to that. If I don't have the answer, then I am a chore,
Hmm.
right? So when will a client criticize you? If you have committed something, you failed your commitment, or they think that you failed their commitment, right?
correct, correct.
Typically ये सीन है. दूसरा ये होता है उनको पैसे देने नहीं होते हैं.
हाँ,
Then
ओ तो अलग
try
चीज
to
है.
nitpick on something.
हाँ.
Then what do? You're a smart woman. You're running business. You're not running,
Charity.
operations.
Sting operation,
Yeah.
I like
So
that.
you're just you're sitting and हो क्या रहा है, team report दे रही है, things are in front of you, emails and WhatsApps and groups and whatever. So then you decide. Honestly, if the commitment is not met, there's no harm in telling sorry. You can always buy time and honor the commitment.
Honor the
That is
commitment.
how I take care of client.
Right.
And here again, I know the risk element, शायद वापस नहीं आएंगे. Even if the गलती or if the mistake is done by my project manager या कोई even client servicing जिसका काम सिर्फ postman का काम है इधर से उधर देना, उससे भी गलती हो जाती है. वो अगर 2 घंटे पहले देता तो अगले दिन काम रेडी हो जाता. बट वो ये सोच के नहीं दिया होगा कि सुबह मैं दे दूंगा, फिर सुबह उसने दिया नहीं होगा तो आगे का काम अगले दिन पुश हो गया, which is 24 hours later. गलती तो गलती है.
Right.
And eventually they will not catch hold of him. उसको तो पूरा internal team class लेता है.
Right.
But
Right.
client हमें पकड़ता है. Then I have to say, okay, let me look into it. Handle it calmly. First of all, handle calmly. पता है अंदर टेंशन है. तुम लोगों को ना 4 बातें बोलने होती हैं. सारे BCs, MCs सारे निकल रहे होते हैं. बहुत खून तो इतना गर्म हो.
Absolutely.
But just pause and say, I am not reacting only. जाने दो. अब जबकि एक दिन लॉस हो ही गया है, एक रात जाने दो ना क्या होने वाला है.
Correct.
So that is very critical. Then maybe next day you will have to summarize everything, whether you have to say sorry or whether you have to say that somebody is overreacting, but very diplomatically, until it comes to that stage.
True.
So a lot of times it comes to that stage also. कि बताओ देखो, I have written, they did not write this. Then I'll have to go be that nitpicker. That's why I said I act like a judge in Supreme Court. I sit like, no, the terms and conditions say so, like this. Okay, there is a gap. So I had this case with one of the largest interior designing company. We committed for something, we delivered. In fact, we delivered little over what was committed.
Yeah.
They paused the work after, and not that we raised the bill, but they never cleared. They said, we will wait and we'll see New Year is happening, blah, blah.
Right.
Because the girl who was talking, she was very nice and kind, So
Okay.
I said like, no, let's give her the time. And it's not easy to have, हम तो high level नहीं, हम तो mid range की, sir. फिर भी I feel that it is not easy that everybody should select Bromide or Orain, which is our company. If she's
Right.
selected, she has
Right.
thought through it. So let's give her that. When we came back, we did everything, we summarized. So the terms and condition as a vendor empanelment, everything went smoothly. But then they didn't want to continue. But हमारे 10 दिन तो गए ना काम करके. चलो
हाँ
आपने इनवॉइस तो क्लियर नहीं किया था. एटलीस्ट 10 दिन का क्लियर करोगे. नहीं आप ना हमें पेनाल्टी दो. मैंने कहा वो कहाँ लिखा है? Because I do a lot of guarantee. That's the confidence I put in my proposals and agreement. What
sure.
दूंगी या guarantee दूंगी. It's like that.
हाँ,
So that
हाँ.
the money, the authenticity is very concrete. It's in
Right.
words, right? It's binding.
Right.
We had written that after 45 days, if the work we've done has not resulted, then we either pay you back completely or we do the work free in the coming days.
Sure.
They also, their legal team also went through it,
Right.
came back, and I said there's no issue. We can recreate the work because हम तो किए हमको rules पता है कि technically क्या होता है, algorithm में क्या होता है. So let's do it. And she
Mhm.
said, no, Shakila, it says you'll pay back, so please pay back. I said, listen, there's no, okay. So you signed your agreement, I signed my side of the agreement. We've agreed that either we pay or we do the work for free,
Right.
right? So
Absolutely.
we spoke to your top management, including the founder and the co-founder, Falana Tikana, me as a founder, my team, everything went smooth. And suddenly you people are saying, pay the money back. We aren't prepared for it.
Right. Right.
Okay. So now tell me legally, because both of us have signed. Yeah, I agree that that's part of the terms and conditions. Do you agree that's part of terms and conditions? Your team signed on it. They said yes. They had a legal team also sitting. So I said, can you legally now tell me if I am ready to give the service offer for free? Do you think it is also, what to say, equivalently agreeable that you also agree that, yeah, they're giving it for free? Now you say, no, we want to stand by the money. Then I say, I want to stand by the return service. How do we deal with it?
Right. Right.
So I went back, I sat down. This was very point to point. Then I said, we should stop. We should not interact with them even on the email. I told my assistant also, yaar, koi reply karne ki zarurat nahi hai. Then I pulled down, sat, and that is the time I also took, because I don't want to lose that girl. She was a nice girl, you know.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
I went back and I spoke to some other associates. Now that's where association matters, right?
Right. Right.
Some
Right.
big business people. I would have, if I knew you, I would have called, yaar, ye ho raha hai, wo ho raha hai, you know that?
Yeah.
So I have my answer, but I am now cross-verifying if I am doing justice to the client. Now that you have to be very sure. If you're not doing justice to the client, that
Yeah.
means your fall down has started trickling.
Absolutely.
Right?
Correct.
It means the person to saw you is come.
True.
Your
True.
tree is getting sawed. So
Right.
you have to do the damage control. So
Mhm.
then a couple of my friends, I told them, if I accept that I will give money back, that means I have faltered.
Yeah. Yeah.
So I don't want to do that. मैंने तो गलत नहीं की, मैंने तो ज़्यादा करके दिया है.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
So I will not. So then my friend said, like, what do you want to do with them? I said, I want them to understand that we do ethical business.
Right. Right. Right.
So, you know, and of course, I am very hard and fast on my principles. That is why I go slow on handpicking the clients, but maybe not everybody handles clients like this. They have their methods. Yaar, nahi chahiye, yaar, de do, khatam kar do. I don't take quicker decisions like that. I take, even if it's quick, I would have thought about it. Mane, it would have run in my head the previous day, or when I was gardening, or when I was cooking. Then I
Right.
decided that will be the quickest that I can give an answer, right? So
Sure.
I told them back that, you know, after a week, that sorry, this is not happening. In another 15 days, your work is coming back. Whether you appreciate or you don't appreciate, that's left to you. And we delivered the job. We gave them the access. We said, thank you. So I think if your principles are right, handling criticism won't be difficult.
Absolutely.
Yeah, principles have to be right. And handling thoda psychology usme comes into picture. And on personal note, I was telling my team, if they still come back and say, pay us money, you call the girl who finalized with us, that see, we generally pay so much commission for somebody who gives us the project. So we can pay her in her account, but not from company to another company. Bill will not be reversed.
Right.
Oh,
right.
yeah. She said, no, I work for the company. I don't need money. I was shortlisted. See, this is what I'm trying to say.
Uh-huh.
And a criticism is almost like you know, some bad person who is having bad eyes on a beautiful girl. You just need to know how to defend it, and you need to know how to present it.
Interesting. Yeah. Because like in this case also, sometimes the criticisms are pretty baseless, right? And to be able to, alleviate and reconnect with the same person is again a competence
Yeah.
that you need to build over a period of time, right? Because a lot of people have this approach that आपने ये कहा, आपके साथ बात ही नहीं करना है, जाओ, है ना?
है ना?
So that becomes very reactive, and it might have happened in a certain zone, but you don't need to carry it forward. You can
Right,
always go back and say, hey, look, this is how we can solve it. And
right.
this is let's be fair and square, so that
Yeah,
when we walk out of it, both of us feel good about it.
right.
Maybe in a situation like that, certain things can continue or not continue, but that bitterness should not come, because
Exactly,
even in coaching,
exactly.
we say,
I would say the other way of
ah,
putting it, I
ah,
would say always have a closure in a manner
closure
that
in.
when you meet, you
Correct.
will at least smile with each other. It's
Right,
close,
right.
okay,
I
problem.
know that's exactly, how I feel, that there's no point in burning bridges and feeling that sense of anxiousness and, like hurt that, okay, aisa hua. Why? Because see, you would have worked together because it met all the aspects, right? But
Yes,
it's not
correct.
worked, okay, it's fine, no problem. Amazing, fantastic. So, okay, I think we got to know a lot of different facets of you. What I would
Thank
like to now get into is what is here on, like what is Shakila, 3.0, as in what next?
That's a good question. Now that I have two businesses and one son.
Oh, nice.
I have too many businesses on hand.
Uh-huh.
Having said that, I have the project which was stalled and that turned out to be a company. I've reinitiated that. So now there is nothing to look back. Matlab abhi the so-called young age is slowly going away. Maturity has set in. Motherhood has come in. You know, काफी चीजें बदल गई हैं from the time I started. Now the only thing that is left to do is work and just good work. And I think these IT part, I will subtly kind of slowly merge into Bromide, because Bromide is anyways doing turnkey projects. And the reason we kept IT is I converted it into proprietor, motherhood chal raha tha, ye wo. So I said, I don't like shutting down. So there's one more thing about me is, shuru kiya to khatam karo.
Uh,
You know, so I don't like leaving it midway.
yeah.
So I want to give a nice goodbye to Orain at some point. Yeah, that is something I'm planning. I'm not able to let go of. That is wrong. I cannot be so emotionally attached. Eventually, it is business,
Mm.
right? So I'll have to do that. I'll have to think another way of how to somehow bring that Orain into. We are already doing in a way marketing, telling that Bromide is doing a turnkey project backed by Orain, team of Orain experts. ऐसे थोड़ा subtly transfer कर रहे हैं. एक तो वो करना है, बहुत जरूरी है. Second, the product which I kept, that is going to be my lifetime project. The product development, it's a platform which is was specifically planned for entertainment industry, but now we've taken 79 categories. That's a gamut of activity that I've taken
Uh-huh.
up. So I
Wow.
think next 10, 15 years, I'll focus on that. And I definitely want to continue to give branding and communication as much as possible, because that's one place where my writing and creative कीड़ा is satisfied, ये कलर अच्छा लगा मुझे, ये font ठीक लग रहा है. और पता है इसका hoarding दिख गया, I kind of like that. It keeps me going forward, keeps me looking forward to अगला client कौन है, कौन सा industry है, उसका competitor कौन है. So that's more me as a character. And yeah, so these two will be my main thing. Journalism, let me see what I'm writing, if it can take me back into the right direction. What I'm writing, like I said, is about this war and give it a very basic human aam aadmi feel.
Ah.
कि यार हम लड़ क्यों रहे हैं, डिसाइड कर लो ना, इधर आओगे उधर जाओगे किधर भी जाओगे, ऐसा नहीं कि इंडिया में मुस्लिम नहीं
हाँ
है ना।
हाँ
हम ये
absolutely.
लड़ ही क्यों रहे हैं, आई एम स्टिल नॉट अंडरस्टैंडिंग हम लड़ क्यों रहे हैं,
Yeah,
So,
yeah,
no, I mean, there is reason. The reason is because there's no acceptance again.
yeah, yeah.
War became a reason because you killed. You killed because they were not Muslim. They were not Muslim because they're part of India. It's
Right,
series of activities. It's like,
right.
आज इधर से वीड उड़ रहा है उसको निकालो, फिर कहीं से वीड उड़ रहा है उसको निकालो, नहीं जस्ट वीड को ही निकालो ना।
Mm.
So I'm just looking at that. If that gives me a good requisite, then of course journalism will continue. If not, blog तो जबरदस्त करेंगे अभी आगे जाके, बहुत सारा blogging करेंगे. There's so much in my head.
Right.
These are what I am seeing for a comeback,
Nice.
and I think,
Wonderful.
and then I don't want to stop. I don't know. Maybe something else will come up. Maybe I'll sit with some politician and say, yeah, strategy. Delhi, hai na, you have
I know, I know.
you have journalists, you have politicians.
Yeah,
So you
absolutely.
have to be somewhere hanging out there, and next to you, suddenly there's a politician sitting. अच्छा बीजेपी से हो गया, हाँ हाँ, okay, आपको ये करना है वो कर. You never know. So
True.
that part, I will leave it to God wherever He wants to take me.
Wonderful, wonderful. Awesome. I think that was a beautiful discussion, and I'm really looking forward to staying connected and meet you sometime in Delhi. And I totally resonate with the entire spirit in Delhi and Delhi NCR. Where everyone knows the PM, everyone knows somebody big, and everything can be
पता
possible.
है मेरा
I
बाप
like that
नीति
spirit, you know.
बहुत
I love that spirit over there. So
Thank
looking forward to all these various possibilities and wish you all the best. And I'm really excited to know the journey of Bromide, maybe in Shakila 3.0 version next. Yeah. Uh, Thank you so
Thank
much,
you. That's
Shakila.
really very well put, and I take your good words to be my blessings. Thank you so much. May this whole Zena family be blessed as ever. May we meet once in a
I
while. May we get to know each other much better. And thank you so much for giving this
Pleasure.
opportunity to me. Thanks.
Thanks so much.
Lovely talking to
Yeah.
you. And my love
Likewise,
to the whole
I'm
family.
totally become your fan because like the way you spoke about your business challenges, so much of transparency, the way you operate is just
Yes.
phenomenal. As a woman leader, like woman to woman, like they say,
Yes.
man to man. It's really
No, thank you so much, Doctor. You've been really nice, kind, and very nice. I mean, candid, I thought would still be a little more vague, kahin se kuch, but then you actually triggered a lot of my gray cells. Is like, pata hai kya? Ye pata hai kya? I was like, I think I
wonderful.
hope it works well, and I'm so honored to have, had this discussion with you. Such a knowledgeable person that you are, and your smile is so lovely. I mean, you're very
Thank
lovely, I
you.
must
Thank
say.
you.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Thank you
Thank
so
you.
very much.
God bless. Yeah.
Looking forward to connecting
Likewise.
with you. Yeah.
Likewise.
Thank you. Bye.